in the previous episode.
Then perform I Want to Be Your Canary, the most popular play in Alexandria.
Okay, that's when I kidnapped Princess Garnet, right?
You bet.
Hey you, Shrimp, you're the one with the phony ticket, ain't ya? Don't worry, it won't fall. After this wall, we'll be inside the castle. Come on, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight's performance is a story that takes place long, long ago. Our heroine, Princess Cornelia, is torn from her lover Marcus. She attempts to flee the castle, only to be captured by her father, King Leo. When our story begins, Marcus, having heard this, crosses swords with the king. And now, your Royal Majesty, Queen Brahne, Your Highness, Princess Garnet, noble ladies and lords, and our rooftop viewers, Tantalus proudly presents I Want to Be Your Canary.
Bereft of father, bereft of mother, Marcus, thou hast lost even thy love.
Fortune hath escaped thee. For what end shalt thou live?
For the sake of our friend, let us bury our steel in the heart of the wretched King Leo.
Aye. We shall back thee, kinsman.
Pray, sheath thy swords. This villain is mine alone.
Nay, kinsman, for I too have lost a brother to this fiend.
What ho? Out, vermin! Away! Thou darest bear thy sword before the king. All who stand in my way will be crushed.
Treacherous Leo, my kinsman's suffering shall not be in vain, for I shall instruct thee in his incomparable pain.
Vermin! Know your place!
What's this? What is a king without his men?
No! He's mine!
Ah! Such insolence! You will change nothing!
Pyro. Man, that's cool.
Ah!
King Leo, Your villainy ends here.
Thou hast not seen the last of me, Marcus!
Come back! Out of the way, Blank!
Consider this, Zidane. If Prince Schneider were to marry Princess Cornelia, peace would reign over both their kingdoms.
'Tis foolishness. If all were so easy, why none would suffer in this world? Aha! Aha! Aha!
Whoa! Whoa!
On guard!
Expect no quarter from me.
Okay, just like we practiced. You've always been such an impulsive swordsman, Zidane. Just try rushing at me.
What peace could that tyrant offer that would be worth the suffering of our Marcus?
One that's more certain than the alternative. Alright, my turn.
Fool. A turncoat would know no certainty. And you side with King Leo, of all people.
I'd rather lose one person than let hundreds die in a war we could have stopped.
One person. He was your friend.
So be it.
Whoa. Certainly using new tactics, aren't we, Blank?
Oh, of course, to keep you on your feet.
Ha!
Ha! Ha!
Aha!
Show off.
I thought it's what you wanted.
We shall finish this later.
Come back here!
Oh!
Oh!
Finish changing, Zidane?
Yeah, but this helmet? It kinda smells.
What are you talking about? My helmet totally reeks. The armor's way too big, and my back's real itchy. These boots are wet, my gloves are all slimy. There's cookie crumbs in the pockets.
Okay, I get the picture. You still have the package, right?
Don't worry, I won't screw up. Oh, got it.
Alright, first I'll go pour some sleep potion into Princess Garnet's teacup.
And I've got something special for the lovely queen. They're sleeping so soundly. According to Recon, the royal seat should be right above these stairs.
Got it.
Uh-oh. The scene where Marcus sneaks into Cornelia's chamber is about to start. Let's get this over with before the finale, okay?
Whoa. She sure is dressed funny. Oh.
Would you please let me pass?
Wait, hold on a sec. Haven't we met before?
No, I do not know you.
Maybe you're right. I'd never let someone as pretty as you get away. Say, you wouldn't...
Hey, what's going on, Zidane?
I must go.
Who the heck was
Get
that?
up, Blank. That was Princess Garnet.
Are you serious?